What's going on YouTube? So today we have a 3-in-1 charger called the Unravel, and this is from the manufacturer Ampere, and this is the glow-in-the-dark version. So we got this 3-in-1 charger, and I'm super excited with the review on this. I'm always needing a universal charger. This does Samsung and Apple, so that is super handy. So we're just going to kind of quickly, we got anti-slip rings on there. We got multi-directional hinges, phone stands, Type-C power delivery, 10-watt charger, charging pads, anti-slip runners. And then this also comes with a mini 30-watt power supply, so that's really nice. And this is made from Unravel, and it's a Type-C. So here's some details. Oh, check this out. Get amped. Yeah, I like that. That's a nice little touch there. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now this is going to be a detailed review, and you all know how I do. I like to kind of go over everything. Oh, check this out. This is a nice thank you. Register your project or product, and look, you get a free travel case and a year warranty. So that's really good. Here's the manual, and I'm just going to kind of show this here. We have the this is a nice thank you message, welcome message. We have the 3-in-1 universal, and then there's also the Apple Watch version. We have fast charging, USB input, foldable design. There we go. Low current protection, non-slip. We got overcharge protection, foreign object, low heat and overheating detection. Then we have a little mini LED indicator light. So very, very nice. I like it. A lot of features on here. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have. Man, I could tell you right now, this is nice, guys. Look at this. It just opens up. It feels real good. It feels like premium materials. We have this glowing material on here. I like it. It almost looks white just naturally just sitting here. So that's super nice looking. I don't know if y'all can really see this on the camera, but yep, the glow-in-the-dark version. I didn't even realize that. I didn't know it would look like this. So what we have here is we're going to try to fold this up. I wonder if it'll charge in all these different positions that this thing does. So, okay, right here we have a 30-watt power delivery charging brick here. Well, the first thing we're going to do, guys, we're going to see if that's actually 30 watts. You know, see if it passes the sniff test. So I do have some devices here to test this, but I'm going to go to my go-to device here, and we're just simply going to plug it in and fire it up. I got it already set, and let's see if it outputs 30 watts. Let's see if it's okay. Okay, guys, Samsung and Apple, QI1 and QI2, QI3. That's really good. All right, let's see what we got. All right, power delivery 3.0 at 30 watts. So that is really good. It's strong. It's not programmable, but it is really good. This is a good high quality charger right here. So you can plug this into any of the devices or the charger, and it's safely going to be able to detect whether you have an Apple or a Samsung or a universal charger like this. So very nice. I really like that. So we have this soft material on here, this glow ring here, and it's really grippy, so it's kind of going to hold your phone. We have an arrow indicating this is where you plug the charger in to input power. We have these nice beveled edges. I like it. And these feet are really grippy on here, so this thing is not going to slide around on your desk, you know, on your table, on your counter. It's really nice, and I'm sure it's because of all the different ways you can open and close this thing. It feels really premium. I like the hinges. They're nice and strong. We got some little charging, I don't know if that's for ventilation or what, but it looks super nice. I really like this. Now these rings, they do appear to have a nice little glow to them. So we have the output one right there. There's your output. And you have your input one on the bottom there. Then here's the pad here. See if I ain't got no nails, so we'll open that up. We'll see. There we go. Oh, I see. Then you can just set your phone on there. Well, the real test will be if it'll hold the Galaxy Z Fold 4. That's going to be a big deal. Oh my gosh, look at it, just locks into place. It's got magnets on there. So, alright, so we're going to plug this into the input. And you can see the lights already kicking on. I like that. It's going to be great. Looks nice. Locks in. Let's go ahead and get in a pretty good position. This whole magnet thing is really, you see you have the arrow pointing in, and then you have an arrow pointing out if you want to charge an external device, like maybe the iPad or a laptop or, you know, something like that. All right. Well, let's see what we got. Oh, yeah, look at set right on there. Boom. Starts charging. That is nice. And it fits on there folded up. That is really, really good. All right, here's the Apple. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I don't have the i14 yet. iPhone 14, but it is coming. Let's see here. You know, they're having some delays with the shipping, and they're having some issues with them, so I might just keep what I got. There we go. Charges on there. And it's pretty responsive too. Look at that. I like this, guys. So I have the Samsung 3-in-1 charger that lays flat, and it works really good. The problem is I also have to have the stand charger separately, so I can just walk by and set my phone down and just forget it. This is going to take place of that. Also, when I'm at work, someone's always needing charging something, so having something like this that they can just set down, and it doesn't matter what kind of phone you got, it's going to charge it. I love the little lights on there. Okay, you have to go this way with it, guys. Alright, so, man, I tell you what, this is nice. And to be able to have a stand like this so you could watch your videos while it's charging, that's going to be super good. I really think that's, look at that. Just connects and charges. And that's something too, you know, with Apple. And here's a Note 20. Connects right to that. Now let's see what this glowing stuff's about. I'm just going to kind of, oh, look at this. So that's a nice touch. What I really like about this glowing material is it makes it look like a brighter white, you know, in the light. I don't know if y'all can really see that in the camera, but it looks nice. And here's what the light looks like next to that, so you can see that. And that's that glowing material you see on a lot of different things. But for some reason, it makes it look more white in the natural light, like right now. So I really like that. Plug this in right here. Try a few more things. Let me cut this back down and see how it does when you set devices on here in the dark. Okay. So there is little lights underneath it, but when you're charging it, you can't see it. So the reason I'm really liking that is because when you're sleeping, I don't want to see lights. And actually this covers up the glow ring, which would probably bother my wife. So that's really good. Now those little tiny LEDs on there, let me see it right here. Those right there won't bother us when we're sleeping. It's so dim. But if you glanced over to it, you'll be able to see it. Let me cut the lights off and we'll take a look at it. See, that's not bad. It's no brighter than your phone at all. So that is really, really good. Now let's go ahead and swap some stuff around down here. Now I really do like the fact that you can charge 3 devices. Each one of these pads is up to 10 watts. So that's really good. Yeah, there we go. I like that. So right here, as you can see, we have all 3 devices on there, and it's working really good. I do like how easy it is to set it on there. Sometimes you have to wiggle stuff left to right to try to get it to work. Not this. You set it right in that pad and it locks it. Look at that magnet, guys. I just want to play with the magnets on there. When you get it close, it just locks it together. So here's the big deal, guys. I'm going to open this up and see if it charges opened up. Oh my gosh, so that means I can just stream my movies and videos and it'll be charging all the time. That is super nice. My other chargers won't do this, so having the ability to do this on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is a big deal. So now let's see what we have when it comes to laying it down flat. And look at this, it's just so compact now. So this is going to be nice for a desk, at work. If you want, you can set it up, then have it in the kitchen while you're cooking. If you're doing like a recipe and you're following it, that'll be nice. I still do like that white color on there. It does look really slick, guys. The foot folds in. The magnets lock it together. So compact, looks so nice. Now with this, you can get this travel case. I want to show you, they were offering it. If you get it with your thing, you can call them and you can either buy it or they'll maybe send you one. Look at this. Nice zipper on here. This is a hard shell clam case, so it's really nice. I'm just curious to see how this fits in here. Oh my gosh, it is fitting good. Look at that. It's not coming out or anything. It's not moving or anything. Shaking it all around. It is really protected. So the reason I like this is I could throw this in my backpack or in my briefcase when I go somewhere. If I'm traveling, I could use it for work. Man, this is great. Here's the cable. And it's got some Velcro on there. Slips it right in. This is perfect. I could probably fit my earbuds on the inside. Oh, look at it. It's got a pocket though. I'm just going to see if my earbuds will fit in here. I think it will though. Let me grab them. Yep. Slips right in. Very nice. So you can really fit a lot in here. I like it. Now there's some other details. I mean, this case is really good too. I mean, it's high quality. I really like it. It's nice and hard. It holds everything nice and tight. And look at this. See, this is the details that, you know, I really like to see. You can latch that on your backpack. You can latch it on your belt maybe if you're out walking or if you're going somewhere. Very nice. And it's got its own loop, so it's nice and strong. I do like that. The zippers don't have a hole to lock it. I don't know why you would want to lock it, but look at that. It opens up. Super, very, very, very nice. I like that. Nice, compact. So this charger is really meant to travel, and you could really use it at home all the time. So I'll be using mine to use at work and this and that. This is looks very nice on the desk. You can see it here on one of our desks. Super nice. Look at that, opened up. You can just see how that light accents it. But guys, this has been my review of the Unravel from Ampere. Super nice charger. I really hope y'all enjoyed this. Please give us a like and a subscribe, and we will have a discount code below for 20% off. And until next time, we'll see you later.